All right, guys, new location coming on. We're in Gainesville, Texas today, just off I-35, exit 501. You'll come on down and turn on Liberty Way. Just follow the signage. There's a gate here. Should be open, but if not, you know the drill. You can call our 24/7 customer service. You'll come through the gate and you'll see the signage immediately. He's got everything striped with more parking coming. We're at the All-American Truckers Paradise in Gainesville, Texas. There's one of the signs. Here's all the parking. Eventually we'll have 190 spaces available to you drivers. Easy in, easy out. Gainesville, Texas, All-American Truckers Paradise off I-35, exit 501 here in Gainesville, Texas. Check it out, guys. This could be a very cool place. A lot more to come.